Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is your boy coming to you on a Friday with a double unboxing. Firstly, from Ringside Collectibles, discount code MAJOR checking will save you 10%. And the Pro Wrestling Crate, we're going to get into this Ringside Collectibles order first, guys. Ringside, I need a knife. Alright, here we go. And my other recent order, yesterday I got the Miro. Here you go. Alrighty, so as you can tell, it is Nyla Rose, but now not the chase. It is Nyla Rose. Wait, what? I didn't order two bigger defenders. I ordered one. That one's banged up. Yeah, so this is for my... Where is he? Come here, Bronson. Bronson Reed Elite figure that I was hoping to get signed at was his wrestling. Unfortunately, he won't be attending this year, so hopefully sometime soon he comes back and get this on, but for now, it is in a figure protector, guys. That is pretty cool. A big shout out to Ringside Collectibles, guys. Go check them out. They have a sale on right now, Memorial Day sale. But yes, I've got Nyla Rose, I just need FTR, Lance Archer, and the Young Bucks. Now, I don't know why they sent me a banged up one for, guys. Hey, Ringside, what is this? Oh, on to the Pro Wrestling Crate for the month of May. It's gotta be May. Alrighty. So, this month's theme features Andre the Giant, Best Friends, Trent, Chuck, Orange, and Chris Statlander, Adam Scherr, formerly as Braun Strowman, One Man Game, Booker T, Jay White, Taz, and Eddie Kingston. Whooshka. Alrighty. Okay. I said the first one, guys. And, is there a pin in here? There it is. They did say that there's gonna be more socks going forward, and these socks are pretty good. I know someone out there who's gonna want to try and get his hands on these socks, but guess what? It's Eddie Guerrero, Latino. Dude, how good are these socks? I like these socks. And I still got a WWE shop order on the way. It is in Sydney, I believe. Should be here next week, guys. So stay tuned for that one. And then Kingdom next weekend. How cool are these socks? You ain't gonna get these, buddy. These are mine. Alright, we'll go with the first shirt. And it is Matt and Jeff, the Hardy Boys. Pro Wrestling Crate, I approve of these shirts. As always. Hell yeah. Alright, put that over there. Next we go to the pin. This is a cool pin, guys. Everyone, just enjoy wrestling. It's wrestling, guys, so come on. This is pretty damn dope. I like it. I like the pins every month. There is good pins. Alrighty, we'll go with the autograph. Who is it? You're kidding me. It's Danhausen. Yeah, I know Lito the She-Wolf is a big fan of Danhausen. Well, guess what? Boom! Boom! I got his autograph! Be cursed. Look at that face. Danhausen. That is cool. I like it. Next, we'll go with the Micro Brawler. And it is the Shockmaster. Now, apparently, the chase, his helmet was gold. That was the chase, apparently. Yeah, there it is. Oh gosh. I dropped him. God damn it, I keep dropping him. Just like that one time he fell through the damn wall. We have the Shockmaster Micro Brawler. I've seen to rearrange them all. And my PS4 is fixed, guys, so stay tuned. Next we go with the comic book, which I didn't read. Andrade El Idolo, Hill Graham, and Basils. Alrighty. Last shirt in the crate. There it is, empty. And it is. Oh, you didn't know? The New Age Outlaws have got 2 words for ya. Suck it, you damn right. We got the Brian James, Billy Gunn. Oh, you didn't know? 2 words for ya. Suck it. 3 words. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And we are edging oh so close to 2,000 subscribers. Will we do it by the end of 2022, guys? We have 6 months to go. We have 6 months left, guys. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We have 2 vlogs, one next weekend, one week after, featuring 2 former WWE superstars, guys. I'm excited. I cannot wait. Oh, you didn't know? Your ass better call somebody. Alright, that's it, guys. That is my unboxing for today from Ringside Collectibles. This is nothing major. Actually, we'll save yourself 10%. Yeah, that's what I got yesterday. I might get the Britt Baker lights out. One to keep mint and one to keep Lucy. Who's Lucy? So until next time, guys. Be cursed. I did help it, guys.